Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Make a great choice today with the 2021 Escalade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.